Hi, hi guys. This is Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java encapsulation. It is also OOPS concept. It is very important. It is asked in interview. So let's get started with Java encapsulation. It means encapsulation is to make sure. Oh, screen got changed. Sorry for the interruption. Encapsulation means to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from the user. Declare class variable and attribute as private. To provide public get and set method to access and update the value of private variable. I'm just explaining you in a very small example, like there is any capsule. Okay, so inside the capsule we do not have anything. Okay, we do not know what powder is inside the capsule. Okay, so we know only the outer part. So getter setter, you have learned from the previous chapter that private variables can be accessed within the same class. Okay, it is possible to access them if we provide public getter and setter. Okay, get method returns the variable value and set method returns the value. Syntax for both for getter and setter. So public class is there, okay, person, but we have a private variable of data type string, so it is restricted. To access this name, we have getter and setter. Like getter public string get name and return this name. Okay, and setter public void set name. Now we have string and new name. Now new name is this dot name, but name is this name. Okay, so here we are setting the value and here we are getting that value. Now get method returns the value of the variable name and setter takes as a parameter and assign the value to the name variable. And this given to refer to the current object. As the name variable is private, we can't access outside. Okay, so let's run this example. So this I have already told getter setter private. Now created the object of that class. Okay. Now name we have given John. Now we are calling it. Okay. So what error we have received? Name has private access in person. So Java name is John. So you can't do this. Okay. Same error we can see, name has a private access in person. So like this we can print it also. Okay. If the variable was declared public, then it won't expect any out. So we have to try access the private variable and we can get this error, which I have already shown. Now we are using this getter and setter. Then how? Here till here we have same thing, created the object. Now object dot set name. Here we have set name and here we have what string we have taken, John. Now we are printing, it will get that name. See, get name we have got true. So like this we can access this by using getter and setter. Okay, this is very important. Why encapsulate better control of class attribute and methods. Class attribute can be made read only if you can use the get method and write only if you use the set method. Flexible, the programmer can change one part of the code without affecting the other, and increase security of data. This is very important topic, so please go through it. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my video and do share, and if you have any question please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.